So this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. And you have your living room, your kitchen, your master bedroom and bath, and a half bath downstairs. And you have 3 bedrooms and a full bath upstairs. It does come with a washer and dryer. This is your half bath, which is right off the kitchen and living room. You've got a door going out to the driveway. Here's your kitchen. You've got all stainless steel appliances, including fridge, dishwasher, electric range stove, custom subway tile backsplash, butcher block countertops, built-in microwave, all brand new flooring in the living room area. This is all new LVP. There's your master bedroom. Your master closet, walk in. And this is your master bath. Got a brand new countertop. All new hardware. Paint. Really nice bathroom. So this is downstairs. We'll go upstairs and I'll show you out back real quick. So one thing this house also has is a ton of storage. So this is one of the bedrooms upstairs. You've got storage in both of these little attic areas. Plus you have more storage in those areas in the attic right there. 2 closets. Here's your full bath upstairs. It does have a skylight, which does not leak. Here's another bedroom on the back side of the house. It's got a fully fenced in backyard. I mean, if you got a large family, this house is just perfect. It's got brand new carpet and paint. This bedroom, plus if you have little kids, here's another little bonus little room that could be a little playroom for the kids. The house also has a brand new HVAC system that was just installed. I think it was July of this year, but it's brand spanking new. And that's your upstairs. You've got 2 more of the little access areas for storage. And a closet. I'll show you out back real quick. Wood burning fireplace that does work. You've got your utility closet room out here out back, which has your hot water heater. I think it has a bonus beer fridge. The good thing about this house also is that it's going to be good on insurance because your roof is only, I think it's maybe 8 years old on the roof. Your hot water heater is only a few years old. You've got a brand new HVAC system. All circuit breakers and copper wiring, of course, is electrical. This house was built in 1985, so you don't have any issues like that. And you have all new siding on the house. And this is hardy plank siding, the termite proof, which is really nice. Let me show you that. Out this door real quick. But all this is brand new. Brand new siding and brand new paint. That's it. This house is listed right now for $310,000. So $310,000, It's a little under 1,600 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with tons and tons of updates. Most everything in the house is new or newer, and it's ready to go. If any questions or comments, please leave below. I'll be glad to answer. And if you'd like to see this house or any other house, just drop me a message, give me a call, send me an email, text me, and I'll be glad to help. As always, thanks, and have a great day.